everyone and a very good afternoon. As we say, there is always a first time. So today is my first time that I am giving a TED talk. Though every day I feel that I need to hear a TED talk, but I feel there is something from my journey that I would love to share with you guys. So we all have watched Rang De Basanti, right? And as DJ said, everything starts from college. गेट दे इस तरफ हम लाइफ को नचाते हैं ते गेट दे दूजी तरफ लाइफ हमको नचाती है टिम लक लक ते टिम लक लक सो इन माय केस आल्सो एवरीथिंग स्टार्टेड विद कॉलेज क्योंकि कॉलेज से पहले तो वी वर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू एस्केप आवर मैथ्स होमवर्क एंड बचा कुचा टाइम ट्यूशन के क्रश को इम्प्रेस करने में चला गया सो आई स्टार्टेड माय जर्नी माय कॉलेज जर्नी विद अ वेरी प्रेस्टिजियस कॉलेज जहाँ पे लोग अपना 100% देते हैं टू गेट देयर एडमिशंस डन. But I got there despite of my percentage. And on the other hand, were my friends who were waiting for their third cutoff list. And we all have seen Three Idiots also, right? We have seen it, right? So जब दोस्त fail होता है तो बुरा लगता है. But जब दोस्त top करता है तो और बुरा लगता है. So obviously we want good for them, but we want the best for ourselves. That's human nature. So somehow I managed to crack that college. Now comes the time to choose my course. Okay, so we are there and I'm about to choose my course and they say, what course do you want? English honors. My mom was standing next to me. She was like, English honors? You have barely passed your English exams all your life. You have lost half marks everywhere for your stupid mistakes or for your silly mistakes, and now you want to do English honors. But within a year, I realized it's not happening. It's not my cup of tea. So I was like, I'll go to my mentor and I'll just discuss it with him that, sir, what can we do about it? And before I started my conversation, he was like, Shirin, beta, tumse nahi ho payega. And I was like, okay. I changed my program. I did BA. I gave my exams of second year and first year, both in one go in my second year. And I passed with good marks. And along with that, I was doing theatre in the very same college in their dramatic society. So post my college, when I did my theatre, it was that theatre society that taught me how to work hard and how not to give up. And I still know that, I don't have a perfect grasp on English. And that's fine. That's not a big deal. At least, I tried. I failed. But after I tried. Today I'm an actor, I'm a content creator. And thanks to you all for loving me, be it acting, be it creation. And today, when I wake up, I feel so happy that okay, I made mistakes. Okay, I failed. But today, I'm doing something that gives me joy. There is nothing in this world that can give me more happiness than making you guys smile, than entertaining you all. And that is what it is. You just need to follow that right calling. जो दिल कहे, जो मन चाहे, वो करो. क्योंकि जब आप वो करोगे जो आप दिल से करना चाहते हो, you will love your job. You will love your work and nobody in this world can stop you from excelling. Post my college, I went to Mumbai. And in 4 years of my Mumbai journey, I have given countless auditions. And I proudly accept that I got rejected zillion times. To be precise, I cracked my first show, Ye Rishta, after 25 days, which is thing that, I feel that I was blessed. But I gave 216 auditions, to be precise, in those 25 days. And after Ye Rishta, I did so many other projects, and I never ever looked back. Because I just knew one thing. जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं, तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. And I did it. But then, thank you. But then came COVID. We all have faced COVID. किसके घर में अपनी मम्मी से लड़ाई नहीं हुई COVID के टाइम पे? So I also faced the very same thing. I came back to Delhi to be with my parents because we were so scared. We were losing people all around and we all wanted to be together. So as a result, me and my mom used to have fights every now and then. एक दिन मम्मी ने तंग आके मेरे को बोल दिया, ऐसा है मुझसे झगड़ा करने के बजाय ना अपना दिमाग कहीं और लगाने की कोशिश कर. And that moment was the turning point. I thought everybody is doing their best. Doctors are working. My milkman is working. My house help is working. Everybody जो अपनी capability में जो भी कर सकता है वो कर रहा है. मैं actor हूँ. What should I do? What can I do? What's my job? My job is to entertain. And I realized there are so many people on Instagram who are making reels, who are making videos on various topics. And I just realized that I have a phone, I have lights, and I believe in my craft. I know the craft of creation. And I started making reels and videos. And thanks to you all, as I was introduced, Chinky ki mummy bhaag gayi sabko. And when I started doing that, now when you're on set, things are very different. There is a spot boy, there is a DOP, there is a director, there is a production guy. So you have to just act. But now when I'm making videos, I have to act, I have to direct, I have to edit, I have to be the spot boy, I have to be the production. और सबसे बड़ी बात, घर वालों को silence कराना पड़ता था. मैं शूट कर रही हूँ, कुकर की सीटी बंद कर दो 2 मिनट के लिए. That was the main concern. But again, I never thought I will get into creation. Sometime life has its own way to get you into that thing that is hidden inside you. But what you need to do is, you need to take that challenge as I did, because I found it very difficult, but I did it. Few years back when I was in college, I'll be very honest with you guys, I was exactly like you guys. I was like, what is life all about? What to do? So many questions. I want to become an Air Force pilot. I want to become this. I want to become that. I made mistakes and I still do mistakes. Okay, so let me tell you guys, I reached CVS college today morning. I made mistake and I'm sure I must have forgotten certain lines that I have written in my script earlier before coming here. So kya ho gaya? I was very nervous. This was my first TED talk, but I think I'm doing decent. So it was so I just believe that it's important to attempt. We all have it in us. बस ये वो वाली बात होती है कि आप अपने आप को challenge करो. And if you ask me, didn't you feel like giving up? Every day, I feel like giving up. I also cry. I had my heartbreaks when people used to ask me, how did you become an actor? We also want to become actors. Oh, we are so good looking. हम GK में घूम रहे हैं, momos खा रहे हैं. There are so many girls checking us out. So we can also become actors. I just said one thing. I don't know about the art. I don't know about the craft. But one thing is for sure, you do anything. Before it will make you, it will break you. And if you are ready for that, nothing in this world can stop you. So all I want to say is that please dream big, and do everything to make that dream come true. Because जब आप मेहनत करते हो, when you work hard, destiny changes. And I really wish that you experience that yourself. And I see someone from this crowd coming up here after a few years and doing the same thing that I am doing, sharing that experience. And I would like to end this just by singing my favorite line. कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा, खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा. Thank you so much for having me. Wish you all the best. Thank you.